Welcome to Organic DIY. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple home remedy for cough, flu and cold. If you have cough, flu and cold, this remedy is going to make it heal it faster. It's going to make it go away faster. What we're going to need is lime, okay, and honey. Lime and honey. Drinking tea or warm lime water mixed with honey is a time-honored way to soothe a sore throat, but honey alone may be an effective cough suppressant too. In one study, children aged 2 and older with upper respiratory tract infections were given 2 tablespoons of honey at bedtime. The honey seems to reduce nightmare coughing and improve sleep. In fact, in the study, honey appeared to be an effective common cough suppressant ingredient. So since honey is low cost and widely available, it may be worth to try. So what we're going to do today is mix lime with honey. Some people use lemon, but I find lime more effective. More if you want to remove the phlegming, okay, you want to clear the mucus away, use lime and honey. This is going to make your cough or flu or cold go faster. Constant application of this for like 2 to 3 days. Constant application of this 2 to 3 days is going to make is going to soothe your throat, clear mucus, and make your cough go faster. So here I am going to add 30 ml. This is for one application, so when you're using this, know that it's for one application. 30 ml of lime, organic lime. I'm using organic lime. 30 ml of organic lime. You need 30 ml. I have cough right now, so this is what it was really bad before, but I couldn't even talk like this before, so I think, you know what, I'm going to share with someone out there and it's going to help you out. It's for one application. 30 ml. You can use fresh lime. If you have fresh lime, you can squeeze the lime, but make sure it's organic. So 30 ml of organic lime. With 1 tablespoon of organic lemon. Everything I'm using here is organic, so 1 tablespoon of organic lemon. So you mix it together. It will do you a bit of good if you warm it on the stove for like 15 seconds, not the microwave though, because the microwave is going to destroy the ingredient. So warm this in the microwave, in the pot for like 15 seconds. Essence of it is to make your honey melt with the lime. Don't let it exceed 15 seconds. You just want it to be lukewarm. So after this, just drink it at once. It's for one application, so you have to drink this at once, not for the next time. Or the next time you're going to try this, you will follow the same instruction. You take 30 ml of organic lime with 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Then you mix it up and you warm for 15 seconds. Okay, drink it. You can drink this 3 times a day throughout the time of your cough. It's gonna make this cough go away faster. Before now, I couldn't even talk properly. So when I started using my miracle remedy, it's my voice clear up, because immediately you start feeling the mucus come out on their own. So you'll have to, don't forget, as the mucus come out, you'll have to, you know, spit them away and flush. Okay, that's about it for today's video. If you have any question, if you have any special requests for remedy, feel free to drop it in the comment box below. If you have any question, if you love this video, please give me a thumb up. Thanks for watching.